Alright guys, so I'm basically done with my blue at least. Got a few spots I gotta get to. Probably, yeah, under there. But other than that, that's looking pretty good. The water pump, I did finish the water pump. I think it's looking pretty good. I made sure I got both sides. And I'm gonna do some final touch-ups on the left covers. So, hopefully, when you guys see me next, I'll be completely done with all this, except for painting the intake manifold black. Which I do gotta find more plastic for. I don't really know where. I just gotta look for it. But yeah, I'll wrap all this stuff and do the black. And then you guys can see what it'll finally look like later.